not Jacoby Pittman, but I, Donna Deegan, by virtue of...
Join me on a walking tour through Jacksonville's historic LaVilla neighborhood. On February 12th, the city gathered at Lift Every Voice and Sing Park for Lift Every Voice and Sing Day, a proclamation led by Councilwoman Jacoby Pittman.
2026 as the Lift Every Voice and Sing Day. Let's give it up, y'all. Stand up, give it up, because we are proud of the Johnson brothers from being here in Jacksonville, Florida. Thank you all so much.
I'm Yoli. I'm going to be your tour guide. Okay, so we're at the intersection of Jefferson Street, and I'm not sure if any of you traverse LaVilla, but this is Ray Charles' big place. And the reason it's named Ray Charles Place is because when Ray Charles left the School of the Blind in St. Augustine, his first stop was Jacksonville, Florida. And I think we all know who Ray Charles is. He's a blind piano player from Georgia, but he was raised in Greenville, Florida.
We then walked the neighborhood to the Old Stanton School, established in 1868. This 3-story brick building was Jacksonville's only black high school for decades. Outside the historic structure, a vocal group called The Vibes performed a powerful rendition of the anthem, filling the air with pride and unity.
Now a performance of Lift Every Voice and Sing by The Vibes.
Lift every voice and sing, till earth and heaven ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun. Let us march on till victory is won.